We've all seen what happens when food is overcooked, nutrients destroyed, flavors lost, and meals that leave you feeling heavy. But what if there was a way to cook food that keeps it fresh, nutritious, and full of taste? Steaming is the answer. Unlike boiling or frying, which strip away essential vitamins and minerals, steaming gently cooks food at just the right temperature, locking in all the natural goodness. Look at vegetables. They stay vibrant, crisp, and rich in antioxidants when steamed. Paneer and lentils, they remain soft and packed with protein without becoming rubbery or dry. Even grains like rice and millets turn out light, fluffy, and easier to digest. Another big benefit? No excess oil. Frying loads food with unnecessary fats, making you feel sluggish, while steaming lets ingredients cook in their own moisture, enhancing their original flavors without needing anything extra. And digestion? Steamed food is much easier for the body to process. No heavy oils, no greasy residue, just clean, simple, and wholesome meals that fuel you with energy instead of weighing you down. Steaming isn't just cooking, it's a way to get the best out of your food, preserving taste, texture, and nutrition all in one simple process. When you eat steamed, you're giving your body what it really needs: real, unaltered, natural goodness. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand the benefits of steaming and how it keeps food healthy, flavorful, and light. If you found this useful, follow us for more tips on mindful eating and better food choices. You can also enjoy the goodness of steamed meals by ordering from us anytime.